Hey there, folks. If you're in the market for a high-quality LCD display assembly screen replacement for your MacBook Air 13.3, then you've come to the right place. The MACOUZI 7 Puppy brand new for MacBook Air 13.3, a 1932, a 2179, a 2337 2018 to 2020 year LCD display assembly screen replacement is the perfect solution for any issues you may be experiencing with your current screen. This top-of-the-line replacement display assembly is designed to provide you with the same high-quality resolution and clarity as your original screen, ensuring that your MacBook Air continues to meet your needs for years to come. The easy installation process makes it a breeze to upgrade your device and get it back to peak performance in no time. Not only is this replacement screen easy to install, but it also comes with a guarantee of durability and longevity. You can trust that your investment in the MACOUZI 7 Puppy brand new for MacBook Air 13.3, a 1932, a 2179, a 2337 2018 to 2020 year LCD display assembly screen replacement will pay off in the long run. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let a malfunctioning or damaged screen hold you back any longer. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the MACOUZI 7 Puppy brand new for MacBook Air 13.3, a 1932, a 2179, a 2337 2018 to 2020 year LCD display assembly screen replacement today and take the first step towards a better, more efficient MacBook Air experience. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations.